Hey friends, if you wish to remove Microsoft Edge Chromium from your system completely, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the interesting thing. If you right click on the start button, select settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, wait for it to load, then scroll down to Microsoft Edge. Click on the three dots here. The uninstall button is grayed out. That is because Microsoft doesn't want you to uninstall Microsoft Edge, and it doesn't give you the option for the same. So we have a script for it here. Okay, this is a PowerShell script and I will share it in the description section of the video. Simply copy it, then search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane, paste the script and hit enter. Okay, and this will start uninstalling Microsoft Edge. You will have to reboot your system for that. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.